Did you know that your Sync 3 equipped vehicle has a feature that lets you control some of your favorite Sync-compatible smartphone apps using voice-activated commands? Let me tell you about it. Thanks to the AppLink feature, you can stream internet radio like Pandora or order a pizza with the new Domino's app. You also have the convenience to receive vehicle health alerts to your smartphone. Keep in mind, before you can use AppLink, make sure Bluetooth is on, your smartphone is paired and connected, and any apps you wish to access are downloaded. iPhone users will need to connect using an Apple-provided USB cable. And if you're an Android user, you'll connect via Bluetooth. To see which available apps are currently available on your phone, go to Apps on the menu bar. You'll see a screen that lists all the apps that are currently running on your phone. Select the one you want. The first time you use AppLink, you'll get a screen that asks if you want to enable mobile apps on Sync 3 and lets you choose if you want to accept the data usage. Press Yes and your app will start. Or, once the available app list appears, you can also use the voice button on your steering wheel and say the name of the app, like Pandora, for example. Once an app is streaming, you can use additional voice commands to control specific app features, depending on which app you're using. If at any time you want to stop your app, use the voice button again and say Exit Pandora. One more thing, if Sync does not recognize an app on your smartphone, close and restart the application. If you have an iPhone, apps should appear once restarted. Android users will want to press the Connect Mobile Apps button and wait for apps to appear. For information on how to use specific apps, check out the online Sync AppLink catalog at owner.ford.com. New ones are added all the time, so make sure to check back often. If you're not sure how to use AppLink, at any time, you can use the voice button and say, Mobile Apps Help.
Mobile apps help. You can say the name of the running application.
Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.